Now let's talk about how you can actually use DALL-E 2 to generate an original art. So if I go to the main page of DALL-E, you can generate your first image using two main approaches. One of them is simply typing what you want to draw here. Another way is to upload an image, and then DALL-E will use that image when it processes your request. So let's see how it works. So I will let you be creative and write wherever you like, but my prompt will be a bear driving a pink car on Mars while a volcano erupts. So let's click generate and your first DALL-E image will be generated. And here it is, guys, a bear riding a pink bicycle on Mars. So congratulations, this was your first way of creating images in DALL-E. It was pretty simple, isn't it? Now you can easily take one of those images and simply download it to your device, and then this is how you have your original art. There wouldn't be any image like this around the world.